Fundamentally, the team is focused on making atmospheric observations to provide evidence and knowledge for policymakers, decision makers, community groups, anyone who needs to know something about the environment, basically. The work being done at DRG has been building and developing approaches based on its expertise, but also the huge network, as it's the largest network in Europe in an urban centre. And from that you can provide a lot of understanding, which then allows you to look at new approaches and how they tie into the more traditional approaches. And again, it's all about value transfer between the two. The two big ones currently, I suppose, would be the London Air Quality Monitoring Network, which is a series of reference sites and stations which provide high quality traceable data for the regulatory compliance networks, as well as providing a backbone of information which can be used by modelers and other agencies to understand the environment, but also the Breathe London project, where emerging small sensor technologies are being used in a hybrid network alongside the reference sites. The Breathe London project is the one that's got more of a public element to it, because community groups can buy into it using sensors, and they get to be part of a larger project alongside agencies such as the GLA and the Imperial network to get information in their local area, and business groups are doing the same thing, and running groups and various other active agencies are looking to get more information, and this is one of the ways to do it. Urban centres are also a problem because you have a large population density, so you have sources in close proximity to receptors, so that means that as our population globally urbanizes further, we are going to be experiencing more and more issues associated with air quality and health. Resources being limited, you can't just take action across everything. Targeted action is required. Industrial partners and commercial entities also have a social benefit incumbent upon them in the areas that they're working. So if you are looking for social responsibility, groups such as industry need to be a part of that conversation, not an external observer. They have a huge part to play in how things are done, and therefore what the impact of decisions or policies are, and how we improve our environment.